I'll do anything, I'll do whatever it takes to...
All right. Happy Saturday morning. Well, it's probably getting close to noon. I don't know what time is it already. 12:07. Well, my morning's getting away on me. This is what I got going on. Gonna work on the blinker cancel switch on this and dent the header in. But before I get to that, I went and picked this up. $150 from a friend of mine. My dad's, more my dad's than me, but I was a little kid when he knew me. But yeah, picked this up from Greg, $150. Pretty good shape, that's for sure. That's about 20 years old. But yeah, as you can see, he never used it. So I was thinking about painting the bottom, but yeah, it's probably just gonna rust again anyway. So that's it. So I'll grab my vise here, get that unboxed, get that on there, and that's gonna be ready to go for, have to be ready to go for ER when I get that far. So getting things together here, but right now I gotta get back on 65 and get that blinker cancellation switch fixed, or switched out. All right. Maybe I'll do some videoing on that for you guys. I'm sure people know how to do it, but I'll just put it in fast motion, make it a couple minutes, and good enough. Debbie in her pajamas running in the house. All right, vise is on. Ready to go. 2 bolts in there. I had to take a die grinder, make the holes a little cleaner so I can get some good half-inch bolts in there. Good enough until I get it ready to go. On to the 65. All right, we got her back together. I'm going to take it for a hot lap and pray that the steering wheel's straight. And I got lucky. It's back to where it was. Yeehaw! All right, really not much content, but what do you do? It is what it is. But let me flip this around. The noise is gone through, not going through the steering shaft anymore. I got to touch it up and paint yet. But I think I finally got it, and I had to take those bolts out right there, one on each side. I'll put an arrow there. And the reason I was having a hard time getting it back together is I didn't realize that that piece right there fell out. And you can see it kind of is out a little bit right now, so I can adjust that. After it cools down, obviously. So yeah, so today was a good day forward. A lot of effed up shit fixed. I gotta see what I got left on the list then. I don't remember. Oh, wiper pump, I don't remember what the hell's with that. Relay to line lock. Fine-tune carb, I still gotta do that. Finish the trunk. Switch rear lights, that I do have to do if I want them to work. Dome light not shutting off. Air cleaner's fixed, I can cross that off. Hand buff the letters, that's fixed. Headliner, I can't remember what the hell that was, but fix that. And cell panel emblems. Huh. So yeah, we'll get that shit crossed off and next. Alright, I'm happy. Today went good. So next thing I want to do is definitely tune the carburetor next. She's running pretty rich. Yeah, she's running rich. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's hard to tell because the sun's on my camera right now, but yeah, she's rich. She's got some pretty mean little backfires. You can just tell the fuel's burning through the exhaust. So that's what I want to get on that next. And then also up the what's that screen called? Polaroid film for the dash. So that'll be the next thing on the vet, so I can see how fast I'm going and all that stuff, because it's so faded that the paper is just faded from the sun from all the years. So I do have that stuff. Hopefully that goes good. If I do, I can put a copy in the link of what I picked up, because I picked it up from Amazon. And it's just 2 sheets. It's in here, and they're full size of, what is it, 11 by 8.5 pieces. So that should be more than enough to fix what I need. So that's that. So I'm happy. I'm going to jump in the shower, going to Ooga Brewing for a band out there and some beer. And that's it for Saturday night. So have a good night, and we'll see what I get done tomorrow. And we'll go from there. All right, later. All right, Friday afternoon, done with work. Let's see if I can get these jets switched out quick. So let's get after that. Alright, I got it off. Let's flip it around here. There they are, all nice and clean, thank God. I can't read them. I'll check out and let you know. Back to you in a second. Alright, I got them out. They were 80s. I dropped down to 78s. And we're going to give her a shot. Back to the car we go. Alright, adjust the carburetor, put them jets in it. Didn't change much, only going 2. So I adjusted the idle mixture screws in, which would be that one, that one, that one, that one, and turned them in 1/8 of a turn. That made a difference. Turned them in another 1/8 of a turn. That one I didn't like, so I turned them back out 1/8 of a turn. And that's it for Friday night. I'm going out for a fish fry, and that's it. So tomorrow, hopefully, I can double check the timing and maybe play some more jets. That's all I got for you right now. Happy Friday. Alright. And I'm going to wrap this video up. It's getting too long. Got it all back together. Actually, I gotta take them back off. I'm gonna change the front and rears. I need to get the fuel mixture down a lot more, so I'm probably gonna go down probably at least 4 on the front and 4 on the back and see how it runs. That's all I got for you right now. And I'll wrap this up because everybody's got ADHD, and if the videos get too long, they don't watch them. So, all right, until next time.